just waiting for the plane to fly by. Story of my life. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share what I eat in a day while intermittent fasting. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. So this was such a highly requested topic from people after they watched all of my intermittent fasting videos. If you are brand new to my channel, I have been doing intermittent fasting for over a year now, and it's completely changed my life. I love it. So everyone's saying, what do you eat on intermittent fasting? Because I don't do keto or anything like that. I eat very normally, okay? So the other thing I want to say is that I'm not a nutritionist. I am not a doctor or scientist. I'm not telling you to eat this way, okay? This is just how I eat. I'm sure people are going to be saying, oh gosh, I have a lot of carbs for dinner tonight in this video. They're probably going to say you shouldn't have that many carbs for dinner. Here's the thing about me. If you know me well, you know I really don't care what people say or what they do or anything. Of course, I want to follow rules and be healthy, but I feel like if I'm eating healthy food and I am nice and full and I feel great and I feel good, then I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. So yes, I could be breaking a million rules in this video. I have no idea. But having said all of that, you're probably like, what on earth are you eating today? This is just an average day. Now, again, every day is different. So I don't eat this way every day. I could do a bunch of these if you're interested in seeing the variety of foods that I eat. But here is my very real life mother of four, what I eat in a day while intermittent fasting video. All right, good morning, everybody. It's just after 9 o'clock in the morning and everyone is on a break. Well, some of us are on a break. I know I am, but we've been doing school since 8. And so this is my lighter breakfast today. I'm not that hungry. And this is what I'm having. So I'm having some berries, or bambooties as my son likes to call them. And I've made, not to get too California on you, but I have made avocado toast. So it's just toast with avocado and everything but the bagel seasoning and some chili flakes. It's one of my favorites. And it's really nice on mornings when I'm not that hungry. And I do plan to have a bigger lunch. So that's what I'm eating. It's about 9:15. I'm also having coffee with cream, and that is breakfast for now. All right, everybody, it is 12:26 p.m. and this is what we are having for lunch today. I had to go outside because it was too loud inside and I didn't feel like filming in front of everybody. So I'm having some salmon and we're having Brussels sprouts, kale, mashed sweet potato, and then this is a potato salad that we have a lot of left over from yesterday. So I'm probably going to also have some of that for dinner tonight. So this is what we're having, and it's a lot of food. I mean, I don't know, people are always talking about my portion sizes, but I feel like this is quite a large portion. But this is the big lunch, so I have a bigger lunch typically and a smaller dinner. So this is what I'm having for lunch. I have water to drink. I always have water pretty much to drink with every meal. I don't really drink anything else, no juice or soda or anything like that. And that is what we're having for lunch today. Okay, it is approximately 2:30 in the afternoon and I'm having my afternoon tea. I'm having PG Tips. I'm sorry, it's not something more fancy, but you know I do love my PG Tips. PG Tips with some milk and 1 sugar, and I'm having 4 little chocolate chip cookies. So I wish I could share a more decadent treat. Sometimes I have something really amazing, like a homemade cake or something, you know, delicious. But these are just little chocolate chips from Trader Joe's. Nothing too fancy, but I'm really looking forward to this. And this is the little flower arrangement I have here that I made a few days ago. And I'm just sitting here enjoying this. And that's my tea time for today. Okay, I need to film this quickly before everybody comes piling in. I did my plate first before they came in, so it wouldn't be too loud. But anyway, it is currently, what time is it? It's 5:09 p.m. And this is one of those nights where I didn't feel like cooking, if you couldn't tell. I'm having marinara fusilli. That's what we're having tonight. And did not have garlic bread. So this is like the improvised version, which is basically sourdough toast. And a little salad with spinach, bell pepper, what is this? Shredded carrot, and that Yo Mama's ranch dressing, so good. I'll leave that link down below. So anyway, this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. And after this, I will not be having anything else. So it'll just be water until bedtime. And I'll probably finish this around 5:30. I need to call everyone in after this. I can already hear them bursting in at the front door. I know the dinner's not that impressive, but what can you say? Sometimes marinara is just extremely comforting. Okay, so there you go. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's what I happened to eat that day. And you can see I did not plan this in advance. Otherwise, I would have had a way fancier tea time treat and dinner wouldn't have been so basic. But, you know, I wanted to show real life, like what I would eat on an honest day in my life. And that is what it is. Maybe next time I'll go a little more fancy for you. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more intermittent fasting videos from me. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, everyone.